Hello guys, so here's a simple quick review of the Live Oak Bank under a minute. So with that, its pros is that as you can see right here, it has a 4.10 APY, which has a high interest rate on savings, which is this one. And it has no monthly fees, of course, or minimum balance. It is FDIC insured and fully online. It is also great for small businesses. It offers loan and business account. You can see right here. You can choose between business solutions or personal banking. So with that, it cons is that it has no debit card. CDs needs at least 2,500 to open. $2,500 to open. It has also no personal checking account and mobile app has mixed reviews from the users. So the bottom line for this is that it is actually great if you want to grow your savings or run a business online, but it is not ideal for everyday personal banking.